Hello everyone, this is Alina from Alinacutle. Today I will make a Easter Day card. We will use this adorable Easter banner and these Easter bunny stamps. I have already painted these lovely bunnies. This stamp has no free metal dies, so I scissored these patterns. They are so adorable bunnies. I used this hair border to cut a hair paper for card background. Okay, now I will use this very useful non-slip pad. I often use it when painting or brush colors. This is a very nice tool. I love use tape or figure to hold my papers. Oh, we painted green color that to make the color fade out. Clean the pad for future use. This is another paper I have painted. I used pink. It is also fade out. Okay, let's start to combine this card. After we prepared all the parts and we had an idea, to combine a card is very easy step.